Welcome the our channel. Today we how to update Python on Windows step by step clearly. To update Python on Windows, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the official Python website at python.org. Once on the site, hover over the Downloads tab in the top menu. Click on Windows to see the latest Python releases available for download. Locate the latest version of Python listed on the page. Click on the download link to start the downloading process. Once the installer file has finished downloading, locate it in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to launch the Python Setup Wizard. In the Setup Wizard, check the box that says Add Python to Path. Click on Upgrade Now to update your existing Python installation. During the installation, you may see a window displaying the progress of the update. Once the installation is complete, you will see a Setup Success screen. To verify the update, open the command prompt. You can do this by searching for CMD in the Start menu. In the command prompt, type Python version and press Enter. The command prompt will display the currently installed version of Python. Ensure that the displayed version matches the latest version you just installed. If it does, you have successfully updated Python on your Windows system. If you encounter any issues during the update, restart your computer and try again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.